In this video, we're going to talk about the MIT method for mastering AI tools. So, here's a surprising revelation. MIT doesn't teach its students to use ChatGPT. While everyone else is collecting prompt templates and copying tutorials from Reddit, MIT students are doing something entirely different. They're building AI systems from scratch. And here's the striking part: when GPT-6 drops and your carefully saved prompts become worthless overnight, they won't even blink. Everything you're learning about AI right now has an expiration date. In 6 months, most of it will be obsolete. But there's a different and a better way to learn. One that gives you skills that last decades, not just weeks. We're going to reveal the 3 pillars of the MIT method that make this possible. Let's dive in. So what makes MIT different? At MIT, they don't teach you to use tools. They teach you to understand systems. There's a philosophy here: learn the principles and you can master any tool. Learn the tool and you're helpless when it changes. It breaks down into 3 distinct pillars. Pillar 1. First principles thinking. Most people learn AI by asking, how do I do this? MIT students ask, why does this work? Instead of memorizing that a good prompt needs to be specific and detailed, they learn how language models actually work. They understand tokens, the fundamental units these models process. They know what a context window is and why it matters. They grasp attention mechanisms, how models decide which parts of your prompt to focus on. Here's a concrete example. Most tutorials will tell you, use this prompt template for marketing copy. Great, until the model updates and the template stops working. The MIT approach is different. First, understand that language models predict the next most likely token. Second, learn what makes prompts effective. Specificity reduces uncertainty, context guides predictions, constraints narrow possibilities. Third, understand why models sometimes hallucinate. They're optimizing for plausibility, not truth. Now, when GPT-6 launches, you don't need new templates, you understand the underlying mechanics. You adapt instantly. Pillar 2. Learn by building, not watching. MIT has a mantra: use a sharpened pencil and blank paper, not Google searches and copy-paste. In practice, don't just ask ChatGPT to write code for you. Build something yourself, even if it's simple. Connect multiple AIAP is to solve a real problem. And here's the critical part: debug when things break. That's where the real learning happens, because anyone can follow a working tutorial. But understanding why something failed and fixing it, that's when surface knowledge becomes deep expertise. And before we reveal the final pillar, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It helps the channel. Pillar 3. AI plus your expertise. Here's MIT's killer insight. AI by itself is generic. AI combined with deep domain knowledge is transformative. They teach AI fundamentals, the horizontal layer everyone needs. But then comes the vertical, how AI transforms your specific field. If you're a marketer, you don't just learn AI for marketing. You understand sentiment analysis at a technical level, then apply it to brand monitoring in ways your competitors can't imagine. If you're a designer, you grasp how image generation actually works, then use it for rapid prototyping that would take others weeks. This is what makes you irreplaceable. Not knowing AI, not knowing your field, knowing both deeply and seeing connections others miss. Your roadmap. Okay, but how do you actually do this? Here's your 5-step systematic framework. Step 1. Question everything. Next time you encounter an AI tool, pause. Don't just learn how to use it. Ask, what problem is this solving? What technology makes it possible? Why does it work this way? What are its limitations? Step 2. Build mental models. Create frameworks for understanding AI. Map the landscape. How do different AI capabilities relate? What's the hierarchy from foundation models to specialized tools? These mental models let you place new tools instantly instead of starting from scratch every time. Step 3. Learn through implementation. Pick one AI capability. Build something with it. Doesn't need to be complex. Experiment. Break it deliberately. Document what you learn. Then teach someone else. Teaching forces you to truly understand. Step 4. Connect to your domain. Identify 3 core problems in your field. Research how AI is being applied to solve them. Experiment with your own solutions. Share your findings with your professional community. This is how you become the go-to expert. Step 5. Embrace iterative learning. Start with fundamentals, build to intermediate, progress to advanced. But here's the key. Revisit the foundations as you learn more. You'll see them differently. Your mental models will evolve. This isn't a linear path, it's a spiral. So what do you actually get from this approach? First, future-proof skills. New tool launches? You adapt instantly because you understand the principles. You spot opportunities before they're obvious. Second, you become a problem solver. When AI fails, you know why and how to fix it. You know when to use AI and when not to. You create custom solutions instead of forcing generic tools onto unique problems. Third, competitive advantage. While others copy prompts, you build systems, you understand your approach well enough to explain it to stakeholders. That's leadership. And finally, innovation capacity. You combine tools in ways no one else thought of. You see gaps in the market. You build what doesn't exist yet. Drop a comment. Which AI tool will you deep dive into first? Make sure to subscribe as we have more such amazing videos lined up.